outside of the eyebrow, then outside of the eye, 2 acupressure points. And we've got under the eye, the stomach meridian, outside of the nose, and then we've got inside of the eye and on the inside of the eyebrow. And you can even go above the eyebrow. I mean, there's lots of points on the face, but for the eyes, these are really beneficial. And then we've got outside of the ear, in the divot. When you open your mouth, it looks a bit funny, but you've got an acupressure point there as well. And under the cheek might improve your facial structure, I think, as well. If you want that chiseled jaw or the chiseled cheeks. Oh, it looks funny when you're laughing. Press on the masticator muscle when you clench your jaw slightly. You'll feel your muscle there, and you can relax it with a gentle touch, circle, pressing slightly in and circling, because the jaw can hold a lot of tension, and the chin as well, on the outside of the chin, and then on the front of the chin. A connection to the eyes from this point. Also trying to relax our neck and arms and back, the whole body. When you do an acupressure, you want your full awareness on relaxation, not only in the area, but to keep the integrity of your whole body. And that way, when you improve the energy flow in that area, it will also improve other areas as well. Last point is under the nose. This is actually good for the spleen and also helps to wake up your consciousness. If someone, for instance, if the heat is too much and they feel like fainting, you can press this point with your knuckle or your finger. You press this point and take some deep breaths. As you breathe, you're going to unlock the energy flow. Acupressure is a combination of outside touch and internal movement. The main thing you learn by yourself is how to integrate it, because people can teach you the techniques, but only you can apply it, maybe develop it even further, maybe have a unique perspective that can shift the light in a way that others can see it. It is important to recognize that there are so many techniques out there, hundreds, thousands and millions probably. Even if you knew them all, that's not really what's important. It's finding what works for you. Healing is an inward journey as well. Healing is becoming whole again.